everyone, Angela from Growing Roots here. Today we're going to talk about the Monstera Deliciosa and a few care tips to help you grow a healthy, large, beautiful Monstera indoors. All right, here we go. Okay folks, so this is my beautiful Monstera Deliciosa. As you can see, I have it on a stand. It's a beautiful, beautiful plant, probably about 3 feet tall, maybe 3 feet tall. It's on a moss pole, so I have it. Oh my gosh, look, there's a new leaf. I had no idea. There's a whole new leaf coming up. Yay! And this guy just opened. You can see how bright, beautiful green he is. But anyways, today I have a little maintenance to do, and so I thought that I would share a few tips and tricks on how I keep this guy growing happy and healthy inside. This is not the most beautiful view of the plant, but I was trying to give you guys a nice view. There we go. A nice view of what I'm doing. So today I have my neem oil, and this is like a fungicide, miticide, and insecticide. Anyways, I don't have any bug problems with this plant, but I did bring a bunch of plants in the house for the winter, and so I just want to treat the leaves and just make sure that he's shiny and happy and healthy while we go into the winter months. I do not do this all the time. Also, I never dust my house, but I do dust my house plants. When the plants get dirty and dusty like this, it just gets in the way of them being happy and healthy. So I do wet down my leaves at least every other week. I try to get to it just like even a quick wipe, just with a wet paper towel once a week, just to make sure that they have the right, opportunity to get the sunlight through the leaves and to grow happy and healthy. So today, like I said, I am going to treat it with the neem oil. This also just helps the plant, like clean the leaves, make sure that there's no bugs going on. I did see a couple little spiders when I brought the first round of plants in. So anyways, oops, here we go. I put it on like the big easy spray, and then I just take, here, let me see if I can first show you a leaf here. Okay, so you can see where, let's see here, like you can see the dust. So we are building this addition, right? And my husband just put in a bunch of doors this week, yay. Oops, here we go. And so we just got a nice healthy layer of dust. Anyways, I just give him a quick spray like that and then wipe down the leaf. It's so easy. It doesn't take much time, but let's see if I can give you an after shot now. Look, doesn't that look so much happier and healthier? Yes, so I'm gonna do that with the entire plant here, minus the brand new leaf that opened, and just give a couple squirts, clean it off, and then we'll go from there, okay? All right, folks, so I just wanted to show you, look at all of the gunk that was on my plant leaves. So you can see, like, this is the reason why you need to dust your plants. Now yours probably won't be this bad, but like I said, we're, building a house and there's a bunch of sheetrock dust and just sawdust in general. So anyways, I want to show you a few of my favorite leaves. This guy came up last month, and he has a nice little, let me bring you in. He has a beautiful little like open spot right there. You can tell that's a sign of maturity, but also like right around the edges here, you can see the leaves are still attached. And I think that is so precious. Now a couple of them have already broken, and that's just gonna happen, but it's just so beautiful. Such a beautiful plant. And then I want to take you inside the plant to see some of the roots. So let's see if we can get in there a little bit better. Okay, we're going to try one more here. Okay, so this is the back side of the plant, and you can see down here are some aerial roots. All right, folks, so like I was saying before I dropped the camera again, this plant is so easy for me to take care of. It works so great in my house. The humidity levels seem to be just fine. I don't know, average. But I do have a lot of indirect bright light for this plant, and the watering schedule, I'd say probably about once a week, maybe every 10 days. But it seems to be so easygoing. I've only fertilized it twice, so I could maybe do more, but I keep producing new leaves. So it seems like it's going well for us. I am gonna propagate soon, so we will have a video on that. But that's about it, you guys. I just wanted to show you and remind you that, you know, a little bit of maintenance, you know, by dusting and keeping the leaves clean can go a long way for a plant. Everyone talks about fertilizer, you know, lighting requirements and watering, but not everyone talks about dusting, which is kind of lame, but so necessary to have a happy, healthy plant. So thank you guys again for tuning in, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.